Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Epson XP-405. This is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the screen and a couple of the buttons. Now my printer is already set to English, but if you have your machine in any other language, you should be able to use the steps shown here to get you where you need to be. Now I'll try and make every stage of this as clear as possible, counting button presses and showing you things to look for on screen, just to reassure you you're in the correct place. And I hope this will be useful. So, first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If you're not already here with these three icons shown, just press the home button to be returned here. It will be illuminated if you're on any page but this one. So, we're going to use the right arrow key and we're going to move along till we get to setup. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right from copy. Now, you'll see the setup icon, the screwdriver and a spanner. So we press OK to go in. And then we need to go down to printer setup, which is the third option down. So press down twice and then OK. And in here, language is the third option at the bottom. So we're going to press down twice and then OK again. And then we're taken to the language page. As you can see, English is the top option. So if you find yourself further down the list with a language you don't understand, you can just press up till you get right to the top. But as you see there, don't go too far. It'll switch you down to the bottom again. But it should be easily identifiable, regardless of what language it's in currently. Then you just press OK, and you're done. If this video has been useful for you, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this printer, which isn't covered in our other videos on the machine, then please let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.